So tonight, this is the club circuit, and the best time I was able to get was 1:05.85. That was lap number 10 today, and I'm done for the day. And let's have a look at the tire pressures. Okay, so we're at 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, and the tire temperature is 73.86 front and rear left, and 68.76 front and rear right. Obviously, you can see there's definitely more heat on the left side because it's a clockwise circuit. Okay, and yep, that was a good evening of the Pirelli event on February, I guess today is February 21st, 2025, and as usual, it was a wonderful event organized and hosted by Pirelli.